How to set a trailing stop loss on Binance. Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to set up a trailing stop loss on Binance, a smart trading tool that helps you maximize profits while protecting against market drops. So let's get started. First, log into your Binance account. Once you're logged in, go to the trade section by clicking on spot or futures, depending on which market you're trading in. Now, select the trading pair for the cryptocurrency you're interested in. For example, if you want to trade Bitcoin against USDT, select the Bitcoin/USDT pair from the list. Once your trading pair is selected, click on Stop Limit or Market Order Types depending on your strategy. Then look for the Trailing Stop feature. This tool allows you to set a percentage distance from the highest price point that will trigger a sell order if the market falls by that percentage. Now, set the trailing stop percentage. For example, if you set a 5% trailing stop, Binance will automatically sell your asset if the price drops by 5% from its peak after you place the order. This ensures you lock in profits while giving the market some room to grow. And there you have it, you've successfully set a trailing stop loss on Binance. This tool helps you protect your gains while trading in volatile markets. For more tips and trading strategies, check the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.